Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to achieve this pink cut crease inspired by Valentine's Day. If you're interested in learning how to do this look, please keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in and prime my face. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime face primer. I chose this face primer because I feel like it's really good with redness control. It has a green tint to it, so whatever redness you would have on your face, it cancels it out. I also think that this primer is a good primer if your face is dry. It's really moisturizing. It doesn't have like an oily or pasty feel to it, and it keeps your skin hydrated under foundation. Next, I'm going to go on with foundation. I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC47. And I'm going to take a wet beauty blender. I'm going to spray it down with some MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to apply this foundation all over my face. Next, I'm going to go with the Ben Nye Natural Set Translucent Powder and the Powder Puff and set my foundation. I'm now going to go with my Anastasia Beverlyhills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. I'm going to take my brow brush and fill in my brows. To set my brows, I'm going to be going in with the Model in the Bottle Brow Sealer. This sealer keeps your eyebrows intact and it ensures that your eyebrows will last the entire day. I wanted my brows to have a sharper look, so I decided to go with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC45 to carve out my brows. I'm now going to go back in with a beauty blender to blend out any harsh lines I may have created with my concealer, and then I'm going to take a blending brush and just set it with some more translucent powder. I'm now going to take the Kyliecosmetics Burgundy palette and I'm going to take the shade Penny and use that as a transition color and blend that over my lids. I went back into the same palette and took the color Burgundy and applied that all over my crease. And excuse my messy palette, this is clearly one of my favorites. I'm going to go in with the shade Cypress Umber from the Anastasia Beverlyhills Modern Renaissance palette. To shape out my crease, I'm going to be using the NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base. I'm going to take the shade Fula from the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place and apply that on my lid. I'm going to go in with Lulu from the same palette and apply that on my lid closer to my inner corner. I'm going to go back into the Kyliecosmetics Burgundy palette and use the shade Almond for my outer corner. Next, I'm going to apply liner and mascara. I'm not going to apply lashes because I'm currently wearing lash extensions. I want to add a little color to my lower lid, so I'm going to go back into the Burgundy palette by Kyliecosmetics and use the color Almond. For eyeliner, I'm actually going to use a lip liner. This is the CORK K lip liner from Kyliecosmetics, and I'm just going to apply this in my waterline. To highlight my face, I'm going to go back in with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC45. To set my under eye, I'm going to be going in with the Ben Nye Banana Powder. To contour, I'm going to be using the shade Delight palette by Kat Von D, and I'm going to be going back and forth with the two darker powders. For highlight, I'm going to be going in with the Kyliecosmetics Kylighter in the shade Chocolate Cherry, and for blush, you can just use whatever your favorite blush is. For my lips, I'm going to be going in with the Dose of Colors Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cork. And I'm going to put a regular lip gloss on top of it. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that this video was very helpful to you. If you do like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have plenty more videos to come, but until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!